Hey there! Today I have a mix and match box to unbox. If you're not familiar with Mix and Match, it is another one of those online styling services similar to Stitch Fix. I actually did a video on Mix and Match back in January, so I'll put a card up above where I talk more about the service. I'll also put information in the description box below along with my referral link in case you want to check it out. Okay, so with Mix and Match you actually have two options. The first option is the Go For It box, which is the on-demand box, and that's what I did last month. They also have another option, which is a subscription, and it's called the Take a Chance box. And with the Take a Chance box, it's $105.99 a month, and you get 4 items of clothing with a retail value of at least $175. You prepay it, but you are guaranteed at least a 40% discount. So it sounds like a really good deal, and I kind of like deals, so I thought I would take a chance and see how this service works. So anyway, I'm pretty excited. It's the first time trying to take a chance, and I want to see what's inside. Here's the box. You can see it inside. And there's a cute little, nicely wrapped bundle. And I have an envelope with all my information. My dogs are very interested. Okay, and it does come with a return envelope. Here's a letter from my stylist. And my stylist is Alexis, and she's the same stylist that I had for my previous box, and I did request her because she's actually really good. And she emailed me right away when I placed the order for the Take a Chance subscription. And yeah, and she asked me what I wanted, so I did email her, and I asked actually for those, I don't know if you remember those kind of rose-colored Liverpool jeans that I returned actually last time, but I really liked them, and the only reason I returned them was because they were $89, so they were kind of expensive. So I thought, if I can get them included in this box, which is a total of $105, that would be a lot more affordable. So I asked for that, and she actually, let's see, she was able to find them. So she says, "Hi Tisha, welcome back, and thank you for signing up for our Take a Chance trial. This is your first style box, one of 3, so I am going to be doing this for the next 3 months. In this style box, you chose 3 out of the 4 styles." So I chose those jeans, and I looked on their Facebook page, and I took screenshots of all the things that I thought were kind of cute, and I emailed them to her. So I guess she was able to get 3 of them. It says the sizes differ for all 3 tops. I measured, and sizing seemed all over the place. I sent a small, okay, so I'm going to read the letter, but I'll just kind of fast forward over this part. But it sounds really good, like at least she takes into consideration sizing, so she doesn't just send the same size for everything. So I think that's really nice. And then she also gives a quick rundown of how the Take a Chance box works. The Take a Chance subscription is a monthly subscription that includes 4 items. The cost is $105.99, which includes your non-refundable $25 styling fee once you receive your style in a box and you decide to keep all items you're paid in full. If you decide to keep some and not all of the items in the box, your $25 styling fee will apply toward your purchase. If the items you return do not exceed the $105.99, you will be credited the difference. If the items you return exceeds the $105.99, you will be charged the difference. And so actually, you should do the math before you send stuff back because everything goes back to their retail price. So it's kind of like doing a 5 for 5 in reverse. So it wouldn't make sense to send back like 1 item and then you end up having to pay more. So you kind of have to kind of figure things out. So, okay, but anyway, so that's basically how that works, hopefully. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, and also there's an invoice here, and it lists all the items. There's 4 items, and it says that the total retail value of this box is $195. So actually, that's more than, I think it's supposed to be $175 minimum. So that's a really good deal. So $195. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's almost too cute to open. But I will. Okay, so this is the top she sized down for. This is very pretty. So she sent a small. This is 100% rayon hand wash, but it has kind of like a peplum bottom. So I'm glad she sized down because this does look very large. Actually, it even looks kind of large as a small. But yeah, I like it, and it's a very pretty color. And this is something that I had selected actually. So that's the first item, and it's by STACCATO, and the retail value of this top is $38. So yeah, very cute. I really like florals, I don't know if you noticed. Okay, next. Oh, okay, yeah, this is another one I selected too. It's a black top, floral again, which I love. Okay, so this is WESTMOON Sleeveless Navy Floral Top. and this retails for $32. So it's really nice though that the stylist takes the time to understand the sizing and sends you something that should fit. So yes, I like that. And next, oh, I love this. It's another top. And this is really cute. Okay, this is by DOE RAE, and I love this color blush. Size medium, and it retails for $36. So yeah, this is cute. It's lined, just very flowy. Okay, and that's the one that she picked out for me. The other two I actually kind of picked myself. And lastly are the Liverpool jeans, which I got last time in the size 628, and it's in the color Roan Rouge, and it's the Petite penny ankle 26 inseam. So this is the perfect length for me. And these retail for $89. So yes, can you imagine I got all this clothes for $105.99? But I will go ahead and try it on and see how everything looks. Okay, so here is the first outfit, the top and the Liverpool jeans, and I'll show you the top up close. It is kind of a, my dog is right here. You always do that to me, Sammy. She won't move too. It's kind of a gauzy material, so it's very light, and I kind of like it. It's very tropical. It has like kind of poofy sleeves. They're a little big actually, to be honest, so she did size down, and it's a good thing because even with a small, it's a little on the big side. But I think it's cute, and there's a chance this will probably shrink anyway because it is rayon. But yeah, I think it looks pretty cute, and it actually kind of goes with these jeans, so nice. And, okay, and here are the jeans. And I think they're very cute, actually. They're like super stretchy, and yeah, and they fit just right. And I think the length is good too, so I won't have to hem them. And nice. And it's by the. Okay, so here is the second top, and it's actually a navy color, navy blue, and it's pretty. It's a large, so she did size up. I think that was a good move. It seems to fit good. It's lined. Yeah, it's cute. I just paired it with some dark wash skinny jeans, and these are actually jeans that I kept from my last mix and match from January, and they're by Liverpool. But yeah, so I think that's cute. And you can see it has a little ruffle in the front and a V-neck. Okay, and here is the last top, and with these jeans again. And it's kind of a nice light pink color, and it has kind of a delicate print. It's a very chiffony, and it is lined, and it's very long, so it's kind of like a tunic length. It's cute though, I like it. It has like a kind of a tie in the front and some lace detail. Okay, also showing this top with some white jeggings. That looks cute too. Okay, so that was everything I got in my first Take a Chance box, and I was actually really happy. I got $195 worth of clothes for $105.99. So basically 3 tops that were all in the $32 to $38 range, and a pair of jeans that was $89. Plus, I actually had a lot of input. I mean, most of these items I actually selected. So yeah, so that was nice, and I really did appreciate the communication from my stylist Alexis. Awesome job. Thank you so much. And yeah, so really happy. And I will be back, I guess, next month, since I'm doing at least a 3-month commitment, and I might, who knows, maybe do more. But yeah, so this was my first Take a Chance. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of unboxing videos. I have a Stitch Fix scheduled for early next month, and I'll be doing that. And I also have some shopping haul videos planned. I'm still working on them, but I hope to get them out soon. So anyway, thanks again. Take care now. Bye.